All right, good afternoon. I just wanted to go over, you were asking about the assignments and about the site. So I just wanted to share this information with you. So this is for Unit 2. I printed this checklist off for the students. These are the 6 assignments during this unit that were to be turned in. 3 of them had the same due date of the 3rd, and the other 3 had the due date of the 10th, September 10th. So what they do is they turn these in to me, and they sign that they've turned them in, and then I grade and return them, and I give them a points out of how many they can make. All this adds up to one big grade in the grade book. So now, where do they find these assignments at? So this is the only sheet of paper that the students are having to keep up with on a daily basis for the class. Everything else is housed in the website. This is the website. I'll provide this link in the email to you. I just want to quickly go through what you can find on this website. So this is the home screen where they get there, and that's where our syllabus and stuff is at. I'm going to specifically focus on Unit 2 because that's the one we were just talking about. And if you notice, it's broken down into 2 modules, exactly the same way the checklist was. Module 1 and Module 2. Okay? Basically, a module is from quiz to quiz. So in the first module, you can see here we have the different lessons, which is where the videos and notes are located for that module. And then we have the 3 assignments. These are the same 3 assignments that were due on the 3rd. Okay? So you're asking how to find the assignments. This is where they are. These were PDFs. You can print them off. I printed them off for any kid that asked. This is also a PDF. This is Delta Math. They have to log in. It's this website they have to work on. I'm sure they've shown it to you at this point. Those 3 assignments, and here's their point totals, 20 points, 15 points, and 15 points. Those add up to a total grade in the grade book of 100 points for this particular unit. And then we have Module 2, and again, the lessons are here, and here's the assignments at the bottom for Module 2. So this was the information that was between the first and second quiz, so the information that would be on the second quiz. Here's the questions to work for this particular assignment, which was worth 21 points, and this particular assignment has directions of which questions to do for this. Again, we have some more Delta Math. They had to log in and complete these 2 assignments in Delta Math. Each was worth 10 points. And then we had this last assignment, the family trip, which was worth 22 points. If you do the math there and add all that up, that adds up to 113 possible points in daily grades for this particular unit. The max they can earn is 100, which means they basically have 13 bonus points available. So they didn't have to get 100 on every single homework assignment to still get a 100 in the grade book. And then, the tests and quizzes are handed out or whatever. But that's how to get to the information. And again, if you click on a specific lesson, if you click on a specific lesson here, again, here's the video examples, and here's the notes. They can print these off. If they ask me to print them off, I will print them off for them. But they're there. They're always available. Now, the other thing that a lot of people I think are missing is this. If you actually click on Unit 2, it will pull up a calendar for August and September. So in this calendar, it has the recommendations for what assignments that they need to be doing each night. And so on the 26th, they should have been doing 2-1-1, and they should have been working on the first part of assignment 1 and the first part of assignment 2. Again, those on the checklist are these top 2, this one and this one. Okay. So notice that was the assignment for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of that week before we had the teacher workday. And then on the 26th and 29th, they had, the 26th, those dates are wrong, sorry. That should be the 28th, that's why. The 29th and 28th and 29th, they should have added assignment 3, but they should have already almost been completely done with assignment 1 and assignment 2. So these assignments stretched over the course of 4 days, and they were not due until the 3rd. That is also the beginning of the next unit, right? This day right here. Assignment 1, assignment 2, assignment 1, assignment 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So they basically had 4 days, and I put here that all assignments are due. And then we had a quiz, and then the review day, and then the test day. Now, to be completely honest, starting back on the 5th, I accepted all of the assignments. And to be fair, Module 2 opened up right here on the 3rd. I actually had the assignments, some of the assignments available for them to go ahead and start working on. And I told them to go ahead and start working on them if they were ready to. So they had the 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th if they needed the weekend, 9th, 10th, and I even extended it and accepted it all the way up to the 13th. So they had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days to get done with those 3 assignments. I think a lot of them are putting it off to the kind of last minute here, but the assignments again can be found here. And just to give you an idea, this assignment 1, I'll blow it up. It says 21 points here. So they were required to do these problems: 6 questions, 5 questions, 5 questions. So a total of 21 questions over the course of 9 days. It doesn't seem like that much to me. Plus, this is the stuff that we're working on in class as well. So the students should have time to do this stuff in class. I'm available at 7 a.m. I hope this helps. The videos and the notes are there for every single lesson. We're working on these assignments in class as well. So they should have ample time if they know what they're doing and if they're asking questions. They shouldn't be sitting at home trying to do a bunch of Delta Math questions if they don't understand how to do it. They need to be asking questions in class. So please encourage your students to ask questions. Please let me know if I can help in any way. I'll do anything I can for these guys, but they're going to have to learn how to manage the system and manage the class. So again, hope this helps, and let me know how I can help all of y'all in any way, shape, and form. All right, thank y'all.